How to add text on NanoBanana AI. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for NanoBanana AI. After that, navigate to its website. Once you're on the website, you will see this kind of web interface. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to add text on NanoBanana AI, over here in this page, if you scroll down, here you can see the AI editor section. Here you'll find two different options, image to image and text to image. In order to add the text, you need to select this text to image option, and in this main prompt field, tap on this, and here you can add the text prompts. You can write the prompts describing what you want. You can explain everything in details and give the instructions like change an outfit, apply a style, blend images, or change the background. Once you do that, you can tap on this Generate Now button, and the NanoBanana AI will process your request and transform the image. So that's it. That's how you can easily add text on NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.